Welcome to CodeMechanic. Today, we're diving deep into the P0531 fault code. This code signals an issue with your AC refrigerant pressure sensor's performance. Understanding this code is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's air conditioning system. So, what exactly does the AC refrigerant pressure sensor do? It's a vital component. This sensor constantly monitors refrigerant pressure, sending critical data to your vehicle's ECU. This communication ensures the AC system operates efficiently and safely, preventing damage. Now, let's explore the common culprits behind a P0531 code. First, sensor malfunction. The sensor itself can fail due to electrical issues or internal damage, leading to incorrect readings. Next, wiring issues. Damaged or corroded wiring and connectors can disrupt the signal. This interference prevents accurate pressure data from reaching the ECU, triggering the fault. Refrigerant levels are another key factor. Both overcharged and undercharged systems cause problems. The sensor reports these out-of-range values, leading to the P0531 code. Finally, though rare, the engine control unit itself could be at fault. A faulty ECU might misinterpret sensor data or fail to process it correctly. What symptoms might you experience with a P0531 code? The most obvious is poor AC performance. Your AC might not blow cold air, or it could cycle on and off erratically. And of course, the dreaded check engine light will likely illuminate on your dashboard. Now, let's move on to diagnostic steps. Start with a visual inspection. Look for any obvious damage, corrosion, or loose connections on the sensor and its wiring. Next, use a scan tool. This is essential for reading live data from the AC pressure sensor. Compare these readings to manufacturer's specifications to identify any discrepancies. Electrical testing is crucial. Check voltage, ground, and signal integrity at the sensor circuit. This helps pinpoint if the issue is with the sensor itself or the electrical supply. Finally, check refrigerant pressure with gauges. This confirms if the system is over or undercharged. Incorrect levels directly impact sensor readings and AC performance. Once diagnosed, what are the potential fixes? If the sensor is faulty, replace it. Ensure you use a high-quality replacement part for reliability. For wiring issues, repair or replace damaged sections or corroded connectors. Proper electrical continuity is vital for accurate sensor operation. If refrigerant levels are off, service the AC system. This means recharging or evacuating and recharging. Always ensure the correct amount of refrigerant is used according to specifications. For complex issues, especially if the ECU is suspected, seek professional help. Advanced diagnostics may be required to resolve these intricate problems. In summary, the P0531 code points to an issue with your AC refrigerant pressure sensor. It can be caused by a faulty sensor, wiring problems, or incorrect refrigerant levels. Timely diagnosis and repair are essential for optimal AC performance and comfort. Don't let a P0531 code leave you sweating. Tackle it head on for a cool ride.